Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. Unfortunately, today though, the bears made a push and actually succeeded, and the price is now broken down below that green line right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that, because I don't want to have too much clutter and stuff around the chart. So just realize that that near-term level of support has been broken, but the big level moving forward into next week, and this is not any sort of like great discovery on my part, but it's all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. And I say it's not like a great discovery because, even if you have a very surface deep, very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming of course you're long, you want to see the price stay above it, right? You want to see the price, maintain that level as support. And that's going to be the level that a whole lot of people are watching going forward. Current value of that is right there around, let's just call it $16.10. So that is by far now, the level that everybody is going to be watching. Again, it's the 200 period moving average. Probably one of the most famous, if not the most famous, technical levels out there in the world of charts. On the flip side of things, nothing really new to report here. This level of resistance that I talked about in previous videos, once again, played out true as a level of resistance up around 1720. So that'll be the level to watch. But really, the pressing concern right now is whether or not the price is going to be able to maintain above this area of support. Because if the price cannot hang around there, then you could have the price potentially drop down to the mid 1550s, but I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, to be fair, so far the price is hanging up above this range of the chart, but it's definitely much closer to breaking down than it is breaking out. Had the price worked its way back up to there and it was flirting around this area, well then that's a much different conversation. You could be saying, hey, it's looking like maybe a breakout's coming, but at this point, it's hovering around those support areas, so we'll see how it all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.